Today, it's a face-off between two all-terrain giants, the Continental TerrainContact AT and the Michelin LTX AT2. Which one reigns supreme for your next off-road adventure or highway drive? Let's break it down. Direct comparison tests aren't available. Instead, we will use separate Consumer Reports ratings scored from 1 to 5, with 5 as the highest. First up, dry braking. The Continental TerrainContact AT leads with a 4 out of 5 rating, delivering confident stopping power. Michelin's LTX AT2 isn't far behind, with a score of 3 out of 5. It holds its ground, but doesn't quite match the bite of the TerrainContact on dry pavement. Now, let's talk about wet conditions. In wet braking, the TerrainContact takes the lead again with a 3 out of 5 rating, while the LTX AT2 scores at 2 out of 5. When it comes to wet handling, the TerrainContact scores 4 out of 5, showcasing its superior grip and control, while the LTX AT2 follows with only a 3 out of 5 rating. But wait, when it comes to hydroplaning resistance, the tables turn. Michelin takes the crown with a perfect 5 out of 5. That's right, the LTX AT2 is built to power through deep water without losing grip. For snow traction, Michelin flexes its muscle with a 4 out of 5 rating, outperforming the TerrainContact's respectable 3 out of 5. Neither tyre carries the three-peak mountain snowflake symbol, but Michelin seems better equipped to handle those light to moderate snowy roads. Mileage, this is where Michelin dominates. The LTX AT2 boasts a staggering 100,000 mile tested lifespan, nearly double the 55,000 miles of the TerrainContact AT. Its longevity is what you need. Michelin has you covered. Comfort, it's a tie. 3 out of 5 for both tyres. But when it comes to noise, Continental steals the spotlight. The TerrainContact scores a flawless 5 out of 5, offering a whisper quiet ride, while Michelin earns a solid but lower 3 out of 5. Both tyres are neck in neck in rolling resistance, scoring 4 out of 5. This means improved fuel efficiency and less impact on the environment. Win-win. So, which tyre should you choose? The Continental TerrainContact AT stands out in dry braking, wet handling, and a quiet ride. On the other hand, the Michelin LTX AT2 excels in mileage, snow traction, and hydroplaning resistance.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.